should watch this. It will change your life.
You had the whole day to yourself. No work, no obligations, just rest. And you took it. You did absolutely nothing. And somehow, right now, you feel terrible. You start running the list in your head. The emails you did not send. The gym session you skipped. All the productive people who were probably working while you were lying there doing nothing. Here is what is actually happening. Your brain has been conditioned by school, by hustle culture, by social media, to link your value as a person directly to your output. Rest was never coded as safe. It was coded as falling behind. That conditioning runs deep. It did not come from you. It was installed in you. And here is the cruel irony. Your brain physically needs rest to perform. During real downtime, your brain consolidates memories, clears toxic waste proteins, rebuilds decision-making capacity, and processes emotions. Rest is not the opposite of productivity. Rest is what makes productivity possible. You do not feel guilty because you're lazy. You feel guilty because you were trained to feel that way. Your worth is not your output. You are allowed to rest, not as a reward for working, just because you exist. Next time you rest and the guilt shows up, remember, that guilt is not the truth.